Hi, my name is Camdon. I'm from Wilora community, and welcome back to YiraraTV.
Hi, my name is Kurtlin Paddy and I'm from Imanpa community. Kevin White, former NBL basketball athletic, and Aaron from charity Bounce ran a workshop with some of our students.
Hi, I'm Kevin White, here with the Charity Bounce crew. I am a Charity Bounce coach and former NBL basketball athlete of 13 years. Fortunate enough to play all around Australia for multiple clubs, most notably in Wollongong, Wilora, that is where home is, and we're out here today running some basketball clinics with the kids.
Hey Miss Kurt, where are you guys from?
We're from Charity Bounce and we run basketball programs and help with employment with different communities. So we were in Dalkana yesterday and we're here at Yirara College and we're going to Nuenti this afternoon. So we just want to get to know you guys, find out how we can help. We've got a professional basketball player here to teach us some skills and drills and hopefully just have a lot of fun.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We come out here, we play basketball, we hang out, make connections with communities. We spend quite a bit of time here. This is my third time here to Yirara.
Hi, my name is Chris.
I'm Ian from Charity Bounce, CEO.
What's your program?
Our program, yeah, so we're running a Bounce Club program today, basketball. Everybody loves basketball. You play basketball too?
Sometime.
Yeah? What's your favourite sport?
Footy.
Footy, there you go. You're good at that, I bet.
I played 13 years in the NBL, 17 years professionally for basketball across the world.
I'm no good at footy, yeah, so no good at basketball either, unfortunately, but yeah. But we're here just running programs and getting everyone involved and playing some sport and getting involved, having an active time. It's fun.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you, appreciate it. Cheers.
Bye.
We are out here running some basketball clinics where Charity Bounce clubs situated all throughout Australia and internationally in a few countries. Revisiting APY lands down in Dalkana where we have one of our bounce programs, and then reconnecting with Wilora College where we've been multiple times, striking up those conversations with community and just engaging with the young kids.
The mob from Charity Bounce are visiting our school and running a workshop with us.
Yeah, so it's great to be out here at Yirara. Effectively what the Bounce Club is all about is really just using basketball, using sport to actually prepare young people for life and getting them ready for what it's like when you leave school, transitioning out of school into employment, into jobs, just into life. So really using the sport to actually create certain patterns in how you do things on the court, transitioning to that what happens off the court. Really that's the outcomes we're looking for, is trying to get people ready to be successful, just have a bit of a dream and a hope about their own future, about what do I want to do, what do I want to achieve, and how do I take what I'm learning right here and take it out to them. We could do it in 12 seconds. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's run in. Question 4. I'm in.
So question number 4.
I'm trying to stop you. Yep, we play until I get the ball, then we change lines.
I really love today just the energy of all the students getting involved, and it's good to meet Casman. Great young people everywhere. Every single person I met, amazing energy, loved it.
It's nice to come back. This is my third time to Yirara to interact with the students, see how the girls are going. I know the young ladies team just lost in the grand final of their school basketball tournament last week, so we're excited to come back soon.
Watch YiraraTV!
You know, run it back and hopefully see the girls win a championship for the school in the schools competition.
Yeah, and thank you Yirara College for having us.
Yes.
Thank you and good night.
Hi, my name is Tyrese, and every Friday staff nominate a colleague to be a staff member of the week, and we enjoyed a cake from Billion, member of the number 0, to celebrate World Teachers Day.
Our ladies traveled 1,600 kilometers south to Adelaide for a week of exploring and fun. Our middle school fellas enjoyed a few days exploring Kurtlin Paddy and went to what must be one of the last drive-ins in Australia.
Hi, my name is Dwayne and this is Anthony. Yeah, we just want to say YiraraTV.
As part of our student NTCET work, they plan to coordinate and run various tasks. Year 11 student Cleon ran a session as part of the Stage 2 NTCET subject called Human Connections.
So, we're gonna be Miss Rose. If you don't want to do push-up, do star jumps.
You're so kind.
Start, guys. Kicking. We're gonna do a little challenge, and I'm gonna call out a number, and you gotta pass it to your partner and do it fast as you can. 7.
Get out! Jason's cheating! Why?
Arthur and Cyril. Katja, Arthur and Cyril. 4. Kuanan and Tristan 1. Down. Get down. Yeah, and then just kick this side here, right? Just like this. What was that? Guys, it's only for 2 minutes. I think I need a little help.
Okay, yeah, I'll help you do it.
You're gonna be on Norman's team, so we're gonna be doing some goal kickings. Good at footy. I know, right?
Okay, but whatever they say.
I can't even keep going.
So get them to say
3 goals. And I'm trash at this.
Hello.
Oh, you can't. How many did you cross?
0.
You
0.
didn't score any.
I only had 3 kicks, that's all.
Oh, he's mic'd up. What's up, chat? What's up, chat? Make sure you like and subscribe. YiraraTV.
Exactly. Be respectful and continue learning. Don't forget to hit that like button. And subscribe.
Pastor Simon sang to us in chapel.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe as always. Act safely, be respectful, continue learning, and look after each other. Bye.
Charity Bounce.
Peter, what are you doing?